Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to unbox an item which I had no idea, I didn't actually think I would be able to get my hands on this, but luckily the stars aligned and it turns out that this item was um, returned because the previous person decided they didn't want it, so I was able to actually get it because they wanted a different bag instead. So yeah, let me unbox this for you. I am so excited and I can't wait to see this limited edition piece. So it comes in a humongous box, and if any of you have purchased anything large before, you probably know what this is. Let me take this out. It is the limited edition Keepall from the Spring 2021 collection. So if you watched one of my videos earlier, I already purchased I did purchase the Pocket Voyage for this already. So now I have the matching Keepall as well. Let's take a look. So the luggage tag comes with it. It's white. You'll get all silver hardware. Here's the front. Here's the back. And this is the bandolier, so it's going to come with a strap. And the bottom looks like this. Let's open it up. Inside it's blue with a zippered pocket. And it will come with the strap, and this is probably the key, and the stickers for them. And then this is the strap. So I feel like this bag is obviously it's a piece of art, and I'm really fortunate to have it. I plan to keep this in my personal collection. I do plan to use it as well. The only thing is, it's white, so I probably will, instead of using the strap that's included, I probably will find a different strap. I tend to prefer more guitar straps. So I have a couple guitar straps here that I'll probably use instead of the white strap that came with the bag. I probably will remove the luggage tag as well to kind of keep it clean. So, it does come with a dust bag, so if you do plan to take it on the airplane, this one is carry-on luggage because it's under 55 centimeters. This is the 50. So I would probably bring my dust bag and put my bag in the dust bag if I had to put it in the overhead luggage bin, just to kind of keep the white clean. Yeah, so let me know what you think. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. And like I said, I feel really fortunate to be able to get my hands on this piece. I originally regretted not being able to buy this early on because I wasn't sure if, you know, I should spend this kind of money on it. Initially, I bought this piece and, you know, because this piece, the bandolier was $2,900, I think. So, you know, I hesitated. And then I kept thinking about it and thinking about it and regretted not buying it. And fortunately, someone returned their bag and I was able to actually get the bag. So far, so good. I don't see anything glaring with the stitching or anything like that. Yeah, so far so good. Let's see where it's made. This bag is made in, where do I need to find this out? Oh, it says made in France. So it says right here that it's made in France. Cool. So this piece and my pocket voyage is also made in France, which is awesome. So I'm super excited. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you have any questions.